Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you the beautiful admin dashboard template, or I can say medical admin dashboard template. Bootstrap 5, fully responsive and totally free. So friends, before showing you working demo and code, I must say please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. So let's see the beautiful medical admin dashboard template look. So guys, let me show you the quickly full layout view. See, just beautiful. The sidebar as well. See guys. So friends, here we go. The toggle sidebar works well. Top section, search, languages, activity, notification alerts, messages, and the user section. So come to the content part, see guys. Today's beautiful top section, beautiful stats section, see guys. Appointments, doctor, staff, operation, admit, and discharge section. Sorry, available beds. See, guys, the bar chart, just beautiful. Patients, treatment type, and the hospital earning section. See, guys, insurance claims, the patient gender as well. And this is the sidebar section. See, the toggle and friends, let me show you its responsiveness. So, friends, like always, the template responsive. So, no need to worry about responsiveness. Wait, see guys, the tablet responsive will work for all the devices. See my guys, so friends, here we go. And guys, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion or requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, you can contact me via my blog, therichpost.com. Contact me via here. Contact us page. In this page, you'll get my email ID and my WhatsApp number as well. And guys, also a full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your services as well. And then also on my blog, you will get multiple free things like Angular, e-commerce templates, admin dashboards, same React, Vue, Laravel, Bootstrap 5, and you will get multiple thousands of free admin dashboards as well. And all are free of cost. See, multiple. Guys, this is it for today. And friends, must say few things. Please subscribe my channel. Please support me. And guys, after it, I will come with more and more free dashboards as well. So friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye. Take care.